If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and smash the like button. Also check out my Facebook page and my website at filipinodadcooks.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make paksiw na pata or stewed ham hocks. Here are the ingredients: pork hock, garlic, bay leaves and whole peppercorns, vinegar, soy sauce, dried banana blossom, and brown sugar. Drop the pork hock in boiling water. These are also called ham hocks or pork knuckle. They are the lower part of the pig's hind leg, between the foot and the shank end. When your meat is tender, go ahead and rinse them and throw away the leftover broth. Boil 4 cups of water and add the pork hock. We're now making the sauce. Add the vinegar, garlic, dried banana blossom. You can buy these at any Asian grocery stores. Add 2 bay leaves and whole peppercorns. Let it boil for 5 minutes. Then add the soy sauce. And the brown sugar. We're gonna let this simmer until the sauce thickens. Now this is ready. The sauce is amazing when you mix this with your rice. It's vinegary, salty, and sweet. Here's my paksiw na pata or stewed ham hocks. Dare you to eat it. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell. I'll see you next time.